Welcome back, children. Today we are going to start a new chapter, Materials, Metals and Non-Metals. Anything which occupies space and has mass is called matter. For example, chair, eraser, spoon, car, train, shoes, torch, anything around you is matter. We can divide matter into pure substance and mixtures. When we speak of a pure substance, we are speaking of something that contain only one kind of matter. That is either be one single element or one single compound. But every sample of this substance that you examine must contain exactly the same thing with a fixed and definite set of properties. Oxygen gas, copper rod, ammonia, water, etc. are examples of pure substance. If we take two or more pure substances and mix them together, we will get a mixture. So, mixtures are constituted by more than one kind of pure form of matter known as substances. A pure substance cannot be separated into other kind of matter by any physical process, but mixtures can be separated into its pure substance by physical method. Sugar solution is an example for mixture. It contains water as well as sugar. So it's a mixture. Pure substances can be divided into two, elements and compounds. Element is a substance which cannot be split up into two or more simpler substances by usual chemical methods like applying heat, light or electricity. Iron, oxygen, magnesium, etc. are examples of elements. Elements can be classified into metals, nonmetals and metalloids depending upon their physical and chemical properties. Metals. Iron, copper, tin, gold, etc. are metals. In general, metals are hard and shiny in appearance. Nonmetals. Sulfur, phosphorus, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, carbon, etc. are nonmetals. In general, they are not so hard. Most of them have dull appearances. Last one, metalloids. Some elements have certain properties of metals and some properties of non-metals. These are known as metalloids. Arsenic, antimony, germanium, etc. are examples of metalloids. We can conclude that anything that occupies space has mass is called matter, and matter is divided into two, that is pure substance and mixtures. Pure substance again divided into two, that is element and compound. Element is a substance which cannot be split up into two or more simpler substances by usual chemical methods, and it is divided into three, metals, nonmetals and metalloids. I hope you understand. Thank you for watching.